Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial. Today we're going to look at how you can set up an Apple developer account and give Flipdish access to it in order for us to publish your mobile app. This video is only relevant to Flipdish customers who wish to have an online ordering app on the Apple Store. Okay, first let's start by going to appleid.apple.com and then clicking Create Your Apple ID in the top right corner. Fill in your first and last name, your country and region, your date of birth, your email address, create a password, and enter your phone number. Make sure you are contactable on this phone number, as Apple will need to reach out to you before the end of this process. Then click Continue at the bottom of the page. You will receive a verification code in an email. Please enter that. And you'll also receive a verification code in a text message. Please enter that and click Continue. And that's it. Your Apple ID is created. The next step is to go to developer.apple.com. Once on the page, click Account in the top right corner. Then sign in using the details you just created. On the next page, click Register, which will take you to this Apple Developer Agreement. Read the agreement and then click the checkbox to agree. Then click Submit. Then click Continue Enrollment on the web and then confirm your personal information. Again, it's important to enter a correct phone number, as Apple will use this to reach out to you. Then select whether you're an individual or sole proprietor, a company or organization, a non-profit, or an accredited educational institution, or a government organization. Next, you'll need to enter the legal name of your business and your DUNS number. This is specific to your business. A DUNS number, or DUNS number, is the Data Universal Numbering System. It's a proprietary system developed and managed by Dun & Bradstreet that assigns a unique numeric identifier to a single business entity. If you don't have a DUNS number, it should be quite easy to find. Simply Google DUNS number and your location, and the correct website should be presented to you. Enter your DUNS number and then click Continue in the bottom corner. You'll then be asked to enter the website of your business, along with a contact phone number. Then confirm your signing authority and enter your work email address. Click Continue. Confirm that the details are correct and click Submit. You'll also be given an enrollment ID. It will take up to 48 hours for Apple to contact you to confirm your enrollment. They will do this by phone, so please keep your phone close by to avoid elongating the process. Once you've had your confirmation call with Apple, you can then go to appstoreconnect.apple.com in order to give Flipdish access to your developer account. Click the box that says Users and Access, and then click the plus button to add new users. It's very important you enter the details exactly as they are on screen. Then enter the email address, then select Admin as the role, and then click Invite. And that's it, we'll take it from here. Once we've received your invite, we'll be able to begin the process of publishing your iOS app to the Apple Store. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any further questions, please reach out to us on help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching.